Are you running your business based solely on your instincts, making big decisions, hoping the numbers will just work themselves out? When you understand the story behind your numbers, you stop reacting to business setbacks and start leading proactively with confidence. And that's exactly what the Finance Fundamentals for Small Business Owners course is all about. In just 7 modules, you'll learn how to master your cash flow, price for profitability, and set up the financial systems that keep your business running smoothly as you scale. This is more than just another online financial course. It's designed to provide the support and accountability that turn information into transformation. You'll join live sessions with an experienced CFO where you can ask questions, troubleshoot challenges, and get real-world insights. You'll also get exclusive access to our proprietary financial tools. Designed by financial experts, these tools were built specifically for the needs of a small business owner. Finally, you'll receive personalized feedback on your work, so you know exactly how to apply everything you've learned to your business. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and lead your business with clarity and confidence, this is your next step. And don't wait for your financial skills to hold back your business growth. Enroll today and let's build the strong financial foundation your business deserves.